Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off iCloud Sync on your Mac. Let's get started. First, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select System Settings. At the top of the Settings window, click on your Apple ID name. Now click on iCloud. Here, you'll see a list of apps and features that are currently syncing with iCloud, like Photos, iCloud Drive, Contacts, and more. To turn off iCloud Sync for a specific app, simply click on it and toggle it off. For example, if you want to stop syncing files, click on iCloud Drive, then turn it off. If you want to disable syncing completely, you can go through the list and turn off all the options. Keep in mind, turning off iCloud Sync means your data will no longer update across your Apple devices. Some files may also be removed from your Mac if they're only stored in iCloud, so make sure to download anything important first. And that's it! You've successfully turned off iCloud Sync on your Mac. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and helpful Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.